My name is Josimuddin. Today I stand before you to share some important problems in Bangladesh. People of Bangladesh and all over the world know that Bangladesh is poor country. But this is not right. Bangladesh is not poor country. But some people in Bangladesh, they make the Bangladesh poor. Who? Politician who do job in government and our administration. How? At first, if I say the who do job in government, so they openly take bribe for anything, and we didn't protest about this. And our administration, they also fast than who do job work in government. Administration, they especially police, they take bribe openly in the road. We saw people of Bangladesh. We saw this matter, but we don't have courage to protest about this thing. And another thing, our politician, what they do, there's so much corrupted, and they take significant role. They purchase land, house in the other country. They send money to the other country, so they reduce our bank balance. So by this way, they make the country poor. So what we should do, and you, me, and we all, we should take responsibility. And how? So we always make one mistake, that we sell ourselves in election day with 500 to 1000 taka. Bravery and injustice. We sell the country to the corporate politicians for 500 to 1000 taka. So at first we should stop it. Then we'll get a good country, a great country, a rich country, a educated country. So at first you have to stop this. So I make this video not only for people of Bangladesh, for all over the world. They don't know about our Bangladesh, what is happening in Bangladesh, and how the election happened. So in our media, we show that our election is happening so well, so good, but we don't know deep what is actual. So I tried myself to share something about our Bangladesh, what problem is going on in Bangladesh. So if I make any mistake in English, please, I apologize for my broken English. Please forgive me.